there's a whole story behind this car, or this package and the car itself. Now, years ago, somebody wrote me and said, "Hey, have you ever seen this?" I said, "No." Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today, we have the Luna Lou dairy delivery. Now, this is it right here. I got this in the mail from the family that had it created. And I know there's a lot of you dairy delivery collectors out there, all right? There's a whole story behind this car, or this package and the car itself. Now, years ago, somebody wrote me and said, "Hey, have you ever seen this?" I said, "No, I have no idea what it is." I thought it was a custom, but I had never seen one or never heard of the story. And yeah, of course, there's a lot of things out there that I don't know. You know, some people think I know everything, but I don't know. But I've only seen a couple of these over the years. Pretty rare. There were actually 5,000 of these made. And, you know, it just says dairy delivery on the card. And on the back, nothing about it being Luna Lou or anything like that. This is a 2007, says on there. And of course the copyright is 2006. So you can see I have an autograph on the back and I have an autograph on the front. So along with this dairy delivery came a card that says, "Dear Michael," that's me, "my husband and I attended the Macy's Passport and American Express HIV/AIDS fundraiser, hosted by Sharon Stone in Santa Monica, September 2006. Also in attendance was Brooke Shields, Elizabeth Taylor, who stood to acknowledge applause when arriving on stage in a wheelchair. Before delivering a State of AIDS address at the star-studded fundraiser and fashion show." So there was an auction, and as the auction items were being introduced, and my eyes immediately fixated on one particular experience, a visit to Mattel headquarters and a chance to design and produce your own Hot Wheels car with the legendary designer Larry Wood. Larry Wood, I know that guy. That guy. After several paddle raises, it finally came down to me. I was the only one remaining holding my paddle in the air. Cool. Going once, going twice, sold. The following month, October of 2006, we made our way to the famous Mattel headquarters in El Segundo, California. And let me tell you guys, I've been there. Amazing. Amazing. 3 syllables. Amazing. Wow. We had an amazing day where we toured the most incredible and fun place to play. We had, so they got to design this car. They designed it for their daughter, who was a year old, who her middle name is Luna. And, well, it says right here. Let's see. We had our hearts set on a theme, the solar system. We added most of the larger planets as well as an astronaut and the bonus, an American flag. Right then and there, the Luna Lou delivery wagon was born. We named it after our daughter, whose middle name is Luna. and at the time she was just over a year old. When we finished the final sketch, Larry handed it over to me as a keepsake. Yeah, I got one of them right there. Super cool. Our daughter is now a teenager and has decided to share with you our custom design. A one-of-a-kind Luna Lou Dairy Wagon Hot Wheels car with only 5,000 in existence. They have been personally signed by her on the front as well, and you will find that I have signed the back. Thank you very much. So that is the story of the Luna Lou Dairy Delivery. It is a real car, a real production Hot Wheels car, designed by the Coppola family, and it was done in 2007, released. 5,000 of them manufactured. And I have here Luna Lou's autograph on the front and her mother's on the back, Kate Coppola. So let's take a look at it. It is, man, this thing is heavy. Die-cast body, die-cast chassis. Nice candy blue paint on this. The interior is chrome. Windows, nice and clear. It has got just so much detail on it. The top is where they were talking about having the astronaut with the American flag. And on the side, there is a crescent moon, of course, where the Luna comes from. And looks like Saturn over on one side. And yeah, it says right there on the back is really cool. It says Luna Lou. I have no idea what that planet is there, but hey, you know, the front, really nice. It's got the headlights and the directional lights done, and it's got just all kinds of cool stars and planets and everything all over this. The wheels are white walls, chrome 5-spoke white walls, and they are really nice. Got big fat slicks in the back, and it's got normal tires in the front. But yeah, there it is. That is a really, really cool looking dairy delivery. I know a lot of people love dairy deliveries, and me, it's a Hot Wheel. I love it. Makes no difference. It's a Hot Wheel. Gotta have it. All right. So yeah, that looks really, really nice. Cool. That is, again, like I said, that's the story of the Luna Lou Dairy Delivery. So if you see one of these out there, it is not a custom. It is not a fake. It is a real deal designed by the family, the Coppola family, with Larry Wood. And that was for their, it does not say how much they paid, or not paid, but how much they donated to the fundraiser. But I'm sure it was a good chunk of change, you know. But yeah, that is the story behind the Luna Lou Dairy Delivery. So if you see one and you can afford it, you know, I know they go for some good money, and so here I'm showing you, telling you that it's the real deal, and I really don't know what they go for on the open market, but I have one for my collection now, and going to be displayed with all my other cool stuff. So I want to thank the Coppola family for sending that to me, and I'm glad that I could share it with you guys out there. So thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. Please give us a thumbs up, comment in the bottom. Hey, let us know if you have one. All right, if you guys got one of these, let me know. Or if you have any questions, you know, if you've talked about it before, you know, leave something in the comment. So subscribe. Hey, make sure you do that. And of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, we'll see you guys real soon. Bye-bye.